Proxio Group's promotion of the week. Introducing the Unused Littleford Mixer Dryer, Model VT6000D, a powerhouse of industrial mixing and drying performance. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this unit boasts a total capacity of 212 cubic feet, with a working volume of 128 cubic feet, ideal for large-scale processing. Engineered for precision, it's rated for 50 psi and full vacuum at 330 degrees Fahrenheit internally, with a jacketed chamber and end door rated to 90 psi at the same temperature. Machine serial number 432535672, built in 2006, has never been installed. Designed for efficiency and safety, the VT6000D features a 10-inch bottom discharge valve, 12 12-inch and 3 3-inch top ports, plus a 24-inch top access hatch. Its 500 horsepower dual hydraulic drive powers a robust main shaft, while explosion-proof motors and a jacketed dust filter housing ensure clean, compliant operation in hazardous environments. Whether you're in pharmaceuticals, chemicals, food, or advanced materials, this Littleford mixer dryer is ready to elevate your production line. Contact us today to learn more at www.proxiogroup.com.